Tech Tips with Jan. Today we'll be looking at the height door adjustment. Since sometimes when this system and door are too low, it could be two reasons. Just whole system is not adjusted properly, and the bottom rollers, they're dragging on the inside of the profile, or the doors themselves that are too low and dragging on the cabinet top or the floor, depends on the application. So to raise the doors, which are right now very low, you can see the black rollers that are deep into the profile, and you can see right now the rollers going down out of the profile. It means the door is too low. To do the adjustment of the door height, we have to adjust this bracket to go up. So what we can do adjustment on the other side of the door, again from the front. The first thing, you have to undo those two screws holding the brackets. And in order to move the door up and down, we're using right here this screw to turn it. And right now, if you turn it counterclockwise, clockwise, you see the brackets coming together, and we show on the other side how the door will move up and down. And you can look on the other side that this roller is already up, and I would keep turning. Be patient. They will hide in the profile. As you see, it is moving up. And then look at the bottom. They're about this same in and out of the profile. So this should solve the problem. When you're happy, try it in and out. Then you have to go back to the other side and lock those two screws right here. Turn them clockwise, obviously. They don't move. So right now, everything closed nicely.
Thank you for watching Tech Tips with Jan. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends. What other installation and tech tips would you like to see? Please let us know and comment below. Again, thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.